What happens when a robot can shrug off kicks like a pro fighter, while China quietly runs millions of AI robots assembling trucks in minutes? This isn't sci-fi, you won't believe what's happening. Unitree's G1 now takes hits with anti-gravity mode. AheadForm's robot head looks eerily real. Fourier's N1 is flipping through kung fu moves. And Poland's clone Robotics is showing off a corpse-like bot powered by synthetic muscles. All this while China operates over 2 million AI robots in factories, assembling trucks fast and coordinating in swarms. It's thrilling and terrifying. Let's dive in, starting with Unitree, because this is both hilarious and significant. Instead of a polished lab demo with careful steps, Unitree's engineers basically kicked the daylights out of their G1 humanoid. And the crazy part? It keeps getting up. The secret is anti-gravity mode, not actual anti-gravity, but a control system for balance and recovery. Old humanoids fall when hit, needing a reboot like a clumsy toy. With G1, the moment a kick or shove hits, it predicts how to land, brace, or dodge. Thanks to depth cameras and 3D LiDAR, it has a real-time world map, tracking its position, what's moving, and incoming forces. Each joint packed with its own motor reacts like synchronized muscles. A standout moment is a solid sideways kick. Instead of face planting, G1 spreads its legs, leans in, and regains control, more like an athlete than a glitching machine. Early in the clip, it takes a hit, instantly folds its knees to absorb impact, then springs up smoothly, lifting its 77 pounds with torque to spare. Later, they push harder running kicks that slide it across the floor, or double shoves forcing mid-air adjustments. Each time, it scans with LiDAR, recalculates, and stands up. This resilience is what factories crave. Even a small disruption, like a robot needing a full reset, costs time and money. At around 16,000, G1 is affordable for a humanoid. Unitree isn't aiming for YouTube virality. They're targeting research labs and work floors, where adaptability is king. A robot that takes hits without needing a fix is serious value. You'll be shocked at what's coming next. Stick around to see how China's leading the robot revolution. Unitree's CEO, Wang Xingxing, revealed at the Global Digital Trade Expo in Hangzhou that they're not stopping at G1. They're prepping a full-size 1.8-meter humanoid for release later this year. This isn't hype-o. Unitree's been iterating algorithms at a breakneck pace, and Weibo teasers of this tall robot already grabbed huge attention. This fits China's broader robotics boom. Per the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, in the first half of 2025, industry revenue jumped 27.8% year-on-year, industrial robot output surged 35.6%, and service robots climbed 25.5%. Wang noted companies in the sector see 5,100% growth rates. That's not growth. That's an explosion. But Unitree isn't alone. AheadForm is creeping people out with a humanoid head, so lifelike it startles. In a demo, the head glances around with a curious look, blinks naturally, and gives chills for being too human. AheadForm's philosophy is that better interaction means expressive faces, moving eyes, synced speech, and subtle cues so humans feel understood. Their ELF series, with big elf-like ears, includes models with 30 degrees of freedom in the face alone, driven by advanced AI and high DOF bionic actuation. Their latest, Zune, is a full figure with a static torso but a head pulling off vast expressions and lifelike gaze. Another, ELF V1, reportedly perceives, communicates, learns, and interacts intelligently. The trick is a brushless motor for facial control. Quiet, responsive, lightweight, and energy efficient, perfect for tiny muscle-like movements. Founder Hu Hong is ambitious, predicting robots will feel nearly human in 10 years and walk or work like us in 20. But he admits mimicking humans exactly is insanely tough. Meanwhile, companies like Shanghai Jingbao Engine Robot sell scarily real androids for public spaces, retail, hospitals, schools, hotels, even e-commerce live streams. But for most of the industry, it's about productivity, with Tesla, Unitree, and Fourier building humanoids for work. Looking broadly, China leads with over 2 million industrial robots, more than the rest of the world combined. A decade ago, robot density was 49 per 10,000 workers. Today, it's 470. This surge comes from heavy state investment under Made in China 2025, including billions in R&D and acquisitions like Germany's KUKA in 2016. Last year, nearly 300,000 new robots were installed, handling predictive maintenance, real-time decisions, and collaborative work. In Shanghai, humanoids fold clothes and prep food using datasets like AggieBot World, while factory models like DeepSeek R1 enable swarm intelligence over 5G. Some startups assemble electric trucks in 15 minutes. Robots like Tiangong compute at 500 trillion operations per second. In 2024, electronics added 83,000 units, with automotive close behind. But Tsinghua University warns semi-automated lines could become fully intelligent in 5 years, risking job displacement. So, what do you think the future holds for AI robots side? Will they work alongside us or outsmart us? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Boom Boom AI for more updates. Thanks for joining this deep dive.